What's up, guys? It's Wednesday. It's time for What's in the Shop. I wonder how many times I've said that over the last however many years. Anyhow, we're here in the Tint Bay in LATROBE. Behind me is a beautiful new Z06. This belongs to our friend Rick. He has brought us many, many cars over the years. We've also coated his airplane. Great customer, good friend at this point. And we're doing a full 10 mil wrap, ceramic coating, and window tint. So pretty much everything that we can do, we're doing on this car like we do for most of his cars. Right behind John here is a T-Rex, and this was in here last April, so this was probably one of the first T-Rexes we did, and it got paint protection film and a ceramic coating. Something happened to the truck, some sort of chemical or something got on it, and pretty much the whole entire thing was covered in like this nasty stain. And it wasn't just the paint, it was the plastics, it was the glass, it was the wheels, it was everything. So Patrick spent the last 2 days figuring out ways to remove that. He did. We recoated it. Thing looks pretty much brand new. Right beside it is a Raptor R. This one came to us from our friends at Sinister Muscle Cars, and we're doing paint protection film on the front end. We tinted the windows. It's going to be doing some graphics on the side and on the front in collaboration with our friends from Ross Wraps. And up on the lift, this is our friend Chip. We've done a lot of vehicles for him, and something happened with his splitter that it got damaged, and our other friend did some body work to it, and now we're going to be wrapping it in satin black. That's the route he wanted to go with this. It's really hard to repair carbon fiber and make it look like carbon fiber, and that's what this is, so wrapping it satin black is probably a good option. Another GT3 RS, I think this one was here last week, doing a full PPF wrap on this one, ceramic coating as well. This car only has, I think, 12 miles on it, and the owner already put a roll cage and did an exhaust, so He's our kind of person. We love that. And right behind it, it's good to be a car guy and work here, by the way. Right behind it, we've got a Trans Am, and this car's in for a paint correction and a coating. This car's about 20 years old, and the paint is coming out really, really good. It looks like glass. This car has some nitrous on it. Sounds really good. And back in the wash bay, we have a Dodge Ram. This one's here for some paint protection film, as well as a ceramic coating. Aaron is currently washing it. It's finally winter here in Pennsylvania, so Jeff, I'm coming to see you in Florida. We've got an annual inspection on a Super Duty and another annual inspection. Obviously, this one is not yet done. That's going to be happening today. And then that Toyota 4Runner down there got some paint protection film. That was sent to us from a body shop. I'm not sure what happened to it. It's looking good now. That's it for what's going on here in LATROBE. Let's check in with Pittsburgh, Miami, and maybe St. Louis.
What's going on, guys? It is Wednesday. Let's take a look around our Gibsonia shop. First up, we have a 2023 Audi A5. On this, we tinted all the side windows and the back window in our Prime XR 35% tint. Did a full polish in the vehicle and topped it off with a 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Over here, we got Mark doing his thing. Looks like he's doing the wheels right now. So this is getting a 4-year ceramic coating. As you can see, we do take off the wheels, do the wheels, calipers, and everything. So this got paint protection film, our track package, window tint on the sides, back, and visor, and obviously Mark's doing the coating as we speak. Over here we got a Rapid Blue C8. This one is Z06. We were doing a full wrap on this vehicle. So Sagala will be in the shop on Monday to install some parts on this vehicle, I think on the front and the sides. But Ian is tinting it right now. We got the sides knocked out, and he's doing the windshield as we speak. Once that is all done, we're going to be coating both the inside and the outside of this vehicle. Next up, we got a completed ceramic coating. This one on this big lifted F-150. You can see the big aftermarket wheels on this thing. We got the barrel, the calipers and everything all coated on that. And we got the entire vehicle polished out and also coated. In the tint bay, we have a 2023 Toyota Supra. This just got out of the paint protection film bay. This got a track package. So we did the entire front of the vehicle. And these Supras have really wide hips. You can see that portion of the door that kind of sticks out. We got that protected, and we're also tinting the side windows and the back window in our Prime XR 20% tint. Up on the left, we have a 2024 Tesla Model Y. This went in for our full front clip package, so everything in front of the windshield plus the mirrors will be wrapped in 8mm Ultimate Plus paint protection film. We're also tinting the 2 front windows in 20% to match the factory tint. Our full wrap of the week is this brand new Audi RSQ8. This one getting the works. So it's getting a full wrap. It's getting tint on the sides, the back, and the sunroof, along with the 4-year Fusion Plus ceramic coating. Outside, we have a work truck. This one, a 2011 Chevy Silverado from our friends down the road here at St. Barnabas Auto. We're doing the side windows on this vehicle in our Prime CS 20% tint. That is all for Gibsoni. Let's kick it down to Jeff in Miami.
Happy Wednesday, everyone. Jeff here from Miami. Let's have a look inside and see what the guys are working on today.
Today we have Amari working on this 2024 Model X Tesla. Customer is in for some additional protection, PPF on the front of the vehicle, going for a full front clip. He is going with the 8mm xpel film. We also have this beautiful 2023 Hellcat that's in for a full PPF wrap, xpel 10mm all the way around. We're also going to be doing some tints. Well, as you can see, some of the tints are already done. Still need to do the windshield. We also have this Porsche Panamera in. I think this is a 2024. It's in for a full PPF wrap, some tints, and gonna finish it off with some ceramic as well.
Good morning, it's another beautiful Wednesday here at Blackout St. Louis. Let's take a look and see what we have going on today. First car we have in the tint bay is a 2014 Chevy Impala, getting window tint all around except the windshield. Another vehicle we have in for tint today is this 2015 F-150, and this is a prime example of why you should always have a lifetime warranty film installed on your vehicle. As you can see, the UV rays from the sun has completely damaged all of the surfaces that are normally in the sun, and this that is normally tucked up in the seal is still the color that it was. So always go with the lifetime warranty film. We're going to be removing this, replacing it with some xpel Prime XR, some nice heat rejection in there for them, get a nice color back to that film. All right, we are all done with the removal and retint on this F-150, and our client is going to be very happy that this window now has a perfect color distribution as well as 88% IR heat rejection. Another vehicle we have in the tint bay is a 2024 Honda Civic Sport. This will be getting 20% on all the sides as well as the back window, along with a 50% windshield to not only darken it up, give the customer a little bit of privacy, but also get some nice heat rejection going on in this new vehicle. As you can see, we completed this 2024 Civic. Not only looks much better, but next summer, not gonna have any issues with heat coming into the vehicle. Last but not least, our good friend Jamal from Parking Management Services, best valet here in St. Louis, dropped off his brand new Chevy Z06. It's getting a track package with the PPF plus the doors. Just got our ceramic XR tint. And then you see Tyler back here doing the paint correction for the ceramic coating. We're doing an 8-year fusion coating on this one as well. Whenever we tinted the car, we actually did the window that divides the cabin from the engine bay, because this engine bay is just too cool to cover up. And that's all we have for today. Tune in next week to see if I make John put another selfie here. Probably not, but maybe.
How's it going, guys? Today, Steve and I are at the Mount Lebanon School District's Jefferson Middle School and Elementary School doing a security film project with National Glazing Solutions as our partner on this one. We are doing a clear security film on all of the ground level windows at all of the buildings to help make sure that somebody can't break in easily. And we're also doing some tinted security films in some areas to make sure that you can't see into the space. The building is pretty large, but we're doing all the ground level ones on the first floor that wrap all the way around the building. This one is pretty big. We already finished up the Mellon Middle School, and then we're on to this one. So we'll have more security film related content coming for you guys soon. Thanks, and we'll see you guys next week.